Now we are going to continue with the oogenesis, and earlier we have discussed about the multiplication phase, and now we are going to talk about the another phase, that is the growth. As you all must be knowing, during the growth phase there is no increase in the number of cells, but the cytoplasm is going to be rich, okay, and the genetic material is also going to be enhanced. Like this one, growth phase is primary oocyte. कहाँ पे होगा growth phase? Here you are able to see this is the primary oocyte. It is going to undergo in the growth phase, and here the division after this one will be meiosis one. Okay, so in this phase you are able to see that cytoplasm increases and nucleus enlarge after puberty. When it is going to happen? It is going to happen after puberty. Next phase is the maturation phase. Maturation basically means whatever the phase you got in the growth one, now it is going to get mature. Okay, so it's a fully grown primary oocyte. This one is a fully grown primary oocyte. It is going to undergo meiotic division. What is this meiotic division? It stands for the reductional division. Okay, and it produces two daughter cells. The type of daughter cells which is produced by the primary oocyte are secondary oocyte, and the first polar body is going to be produced. Secondary oocyte will be having the maximum amount of cytoplasm, while we are talking about the first polar body. Here it is having the very less amount of nucleus. You can consider it as a bare nucleus. Okay. Next thing, secondary oocyte undergoes second meiotic division. Here, when this primary oocyte is going to divide, then it is going to produce secondary oocyte as well as one polar body. This is a product of basically meiosis 1, and in prophase of the meiosis 1, this is the division which is going to happen, and after that it is going to be the resting phase. Next thing, this secondary oocyte is going to produce the transformation will be there. Basically it will now be secondary oocyte only, but here this secondary oocyte has arrested at metaphase. Metaphase पे ये बेसिकली थोड़ी देर के लिए सीज हो गया है, और यहाँ पे कौन सा फेज है? सेकेंड रेस्टिंग फेज आ गया है इसका. ठीक है, फिर ओव्यूलेशन फेज आपका ये कहलाएगा. देन आफ्टर दैट व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू गेट फर्टिलाइज, तब जाकर के ये डिवीजन रीस्टार्ट होगा. ओके, दिस इज द meiosis second. When this sperm is going to enter inside this one, then only this process is going to restart, and this process is known as fertilization. Okay, and this first polar body, when this after fertilization, it is going to produce ovum, or basically before the formation of ovum it will be termed as ooted. Then ooted is going to transform into ovum. So you can consider it as a ooted. Along with the ooted, it has produced one more polar body, and this polar body is also very small, having the very less amount of genetic material. Okay. Next thing, in the meanwhile, when this cell will be produced by the secondary oocyte, and in the meanwhile this first polar body is going to divide, and again it is going to generate two more polar bodies, and then in total when we are talking about, then this primary oocyte has produced one ooted along with 1, 2, 3 polar bodies. Got it? So secondary oocyte undergoes second meiotic division, which goes not proceed beyond metaphase, जो कि proceed नहीं करता metaphase के आगे. कब तक? जब तक sperm entry ना हो जाए. Got it? सेकेंड रेस्टिंग स्टेज इसी फेज को कहा जाता है, क्योंकि ये वेट करेगा फर्टिलाइज होने का. जब ये फर्टिलाइज हो जाएगा तो ये आपका डिवीजन सेकेंड जो है meiosis सेकेंड रीस्टार्ट. हियर यू कैन सी इट इज गोइंग टू रीस्टार्ट. ओके, देन आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन सेकेंड meiotic division is completed again with unequal cytoplasmic cleavage and produces ooted and one small secondary polar body. Here is a ooted and one small polar body. Okay, this polar body is not going to divide because it is not having that much content which it need to be divided, but here this first polar body is going to divide, and it is going to produce two polar bodies. So in total 3 polar bodies will be generated from the one primary oocyte. At the same time, first polar body divides and produce two polar bodies. So here you are able to see from one primary oocyte first polar body along with secondary oocyte. ठीक है। अब सेकेंडरी oocyte में क्या हुआ, मियोसिस सेकेंड, जो कि अरेस्ट हो गया कहां पे जाकर के, मेटाफेज पे। देन द सेकेंडरी oocyte, अब ये फेज आपकी कंटिन्यू होती है, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, सेकेंडरी oocyte मियोसिस सेकेंड यहाँ पे रीस्टार्ट होता है, बट रीस्टार्ट होने के लिए क्या चाहिए, entry of the sperm. Sperm entry means fertilization. Then it is going to produce one ooted and one polar body. So along with one polar body, this ooted will be there. Ooted will got maturity and it will transform into ovum. Then here two more polar bodies will be generated from the first polar body. So in total 3 polar bodies and 1 ovum. So for this transformation phase from the secondary oocyte to ovum, nearly you can consider it requires years of it. ठीक है, years of time is required for this one. So this is all about the oogenesis, and a few more topics are remaining which we are going to continue in the next video. Thank you.